This year, 20 to 26 July, I am coming to New Jersey, USA, to run 2 workshops on painting and sculpting. There will be 3 days of painting and 3 days of sculpture. You can attend one of them or both of them. Come and spend creative time with me in Olga Furman's studio, and let's have a lot of fun and exploration together. We will be exploring story art with collage and vivid colors and powerful bright expression. We will be exploring story art in muted tone, a tribal type of story art with a brown and earthy color palette. And we will be creating a beautiful, soulful icon. In a 3-day workshop with sculptures, we will be creating the winged ones. We'll be using elements of nature, shells, driftwood, seed pods, various found objects to add to the air drying clay so that your beings have wings, crowns, additions incorporated into clay. We will be discussing how do you make your sculpture come alive? How do you give it a soul? How position of a hand and tilt of a head create emotion? This will be beings filled with spirit, beings that carry spiritual healing power, where once again a viewer that holds your sculpture, look at your sculpture, feel its healing presence. I am coming not just to create with you, I am bringing my spirit to share with you. So please come and join me, and let's have this unforgettable experience together.